Now the Windows 10 operating system automatically downloads and installs new quality or cumulative updates on the computer, while the auto update feature ensures that the device remains up to date with latest security patches and performance enhancements. It has been an ideal feature for all the users, as sometimes the updates come with few bugs affecting the experience. Now in this video we will see how to disable the auto update on your computer. So before getting started, make sure you are subscribed to our YouTube channel because we bring the quality tech videos at first. Now the first step is to open the Registry Editor on your computer. Now for this, open the Start menu and search for the term Registry. Now from the search result, click on the Registry Editor to open the application. Now in the Registry Editor, navigate to the following path. Now this path I have provided here. Now once you have reached here, you have to click on the Windows Update folder. Now if this folder does not exist, what you have to do, you have to go to this Microsoft, and this Microsoft you have to create a new key and rename this key as Windows Update. Now as you can see here, we have created the Windows Update folder, and now what you have to do is you have to create a new sub menu using this key option, right? And name this newly created sub menu as AU. Now once we have created this new sub menu as AU, what you have to do, you have to right click on this AU key and select new dword 32-bit value like this. Now once you have created this new key, make sure to name this new key as no auto update. After that, double click the no auto update key and change its value to 1, and then click the OK button. Now once you are completed with all these things, what you have to do is you have to restart your computer, and once the restart is complete, you will notice that the Windows 10 computer is no longer installing the monthly updates automatically. Now to install the new updates on your computer, you will need to go to the update buttons in the Windows Update setting, and if the update is available, you will be able to download it and install it.